you will never make it as a successful trader. How you felt about that statement determines how much internal work you have to do. Because that is how most people are going to feel about you. And there's only going to be a few, so you have to make sure that most important person is you. Success requires a different mindset. You have to be a little bit crazy, delusional, mad, whatever word they want to call it. Because it's going to take insane belief, insane conviction that I know I'm right. I know that the life I'm envisioning, I can bring it to reality. It's going to take an insane amount of belief to bring that to the forefront or for the world to see. So if you have any even a slight ounce of doubt, and doubt thoughts are going to come, but it's if you believe them. Doubts are always going to come, because once you live in a comfort zone and you're doing something different, the doubts are always going to come, but you have to have that unshakable conviction that I don't care what anyone says, I don't care who goes, I don't care who stays, I know that I'm right, I know that I am going to bring my dreams to reality. So you see, if you felt something, and if you're still feeling something now that I said you are not going to make it as a trader, that means you have to strengthen your belief. And you don't need anyone to do that. You need to have that strong belief in yourself that I am going to bring my dreams to reality, because only you can control the work that you do, your thoughts, your mindset. No one else can stop you from that unless you stop them. And we always hear that. So no one can define you. Only you can define yourself unless you let them. So this is what you're going to be facing from people, from your closest people, family, friends, your partner, your relationship partner, all of that is going to feel that way about you most of the time, because God gave you that vision. So you have to be the one that carries it, not somebody else. You don't need them to believe. Just make sure that you believe. Because you are the person that has to show every day, whether they are here, yes or no. You have to be that person that shows up regardless. So you have to make sure that you are the one that with that insane belief. And they're gonna call you crazy. Trust me. They're gonna say you're crazy. Because you must be crazy. Because I know a lot of people now, you may have $0 in your bank account. You don't know how things are going to come, but you still believe in it. I know that I can have trading success. I know that I can be successful in whatever area I put. You must be crazy, because you are the one creating that thing, because you have the faith to see something that nobody else ever saw. So you're gonna be a little bit crazy, and they're gonna call you a little bit crazy. But you have to have that level of conviction, and that is how you're gonna bring your dreams into reality. And I believe in you, man. I believe in you, because we are we are the vision bearers. We are the one that God gave the vision. So if you have that vision and people around you doubt you, just make sure that you don't doubt yourself. And if at the moment now you're feeling like you're doubting your strategy, remember, I can help you with that. So click the link in the pinned comments or in the description if you think I know a thing or two that can help you. I remember, you don't have to do anything. If you find somebody else that you're interested in and you like how they trade, reach out to them. It doesn't matter who, even if it's not me, I don't care. Just know that you reach out to somebody to get that help, so you can even strengthen your belief and strengthen your belief in your skills. But in case that person is me, I'm looking forward to see you on the winning team, Team Cole Mansion. Because really, is there another option?